Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Junri Tabasa and this is my video report. My topic is all about factors of school effectiveness based on research. Effective practices need to be institutionalized for them to become part of school culture to build professional capacity and establish mechanism that supports the continuing quality improvement of school is an assurance that effective schools even become more effective. So, good teaching methods need to become a regular part of how the school can work. This means training teachers well and creating systems to help schools improve constantly so that they get even better of teaching. And school-based management or SBM is the mechanism introduced by the Department of Education in the Philippines to continuously work on effective schools. As the term implies in SBM, schools are given greater autonomy to make decisions regarding education of children. So, school-based management or SBM means giving individual schools more power to decide how to teach kids, and instead of government making all the rules, school can choose what works best for their students. An example, a school in a farming community might decide to teach more about agriculture because that's important for their students. And the SBM let the schools tailor their education to what needs locally. Their research finding of OECD confirms that schools' autonomy has a positive relationship with student performance when accountability measures are there in place and or when schools principal and teachers collaborate in schools management. OECD 2012, China and Singapore have been devolving more responsibility to the school level. Stewart 2008, in Finland, accountability rests on the trust placed by families and government in the professional competence of teachers. Stewart 2008. So, research shows that giving schools are more control autonomy leads to a better performance, but only when a certain conditions are met. Example, a school in a rural area has a lot of students who speak a local language at home. If the school has autonomy, it can decide to teach some subject in that local area and also to teach English. Help students understand the material because better they learn in a language that they already know. In the Philippines, the devolving of more responsibility to the schools was done through the school-based management or SBM was introduced during the implementation of the third elementary education project TEFP 1999 to 2005. In 2005, TEFP conducted a study to determine the effect of school-based management on student performance. And using the administrative dataset of all public schools in 23 school districts over a year period, 2003 to 2005, the results showed the introduction of SBM has statistically significant, although small, overall positive effect on average school level and test scores in 23 school districts in the Philippines. So, it described a study conducted in the Philippines to evaluate the impact of school-based management or SBM student performances. The third elementary education project or TEEP running from 1999 to 2005 introduced the SBM. In 2005, TEP researchers analyzed dataset from 23 school district over 3 years during 2003 to 2005 to see how SBM affected student their test scores. So, with SBM, significant decision-making authority transferred from state and direct office to individual schools. SBM provided principals, teachers, students, and parents greater control over the education process by giving them responsibility for decisions about the budget, personnel, and curriculum through the involvement of teacher, parents, and other community members. In this key decision, SBM can create more effective learning environments for children. To further strengthen the school-based management or SBM practices and re-emphasize the centrality of the learners and the involvement of relevant community in the basic education service delivery, the Department of Education, DepEd, embarked on revisiting the SBM framework assessment process and tool improve on already recognized successful SBM practices across region. To institutionalize decentralization efforts at the school level and in line with the Republic Act number 9155, also known as the Governance of Basic Education Act of 2001. The Department of Education or the DepEd provides school-based management SBM grants as additional funds to public elementary and secondary schools to augment the school fund on maintenance and other operating expenses. So, school-based management or SBM gives more power to individual schools in the Philippines instead of decisions made far away in state and district officers, principals, teachers, students, and parents have more say in how their schools are run. This includes decisions about money, budget, staff personnel, and what taught curriculum. The goal is to create a better learning environment by getting everyone involved. The Department of Education or DepEd is constantly working to improve SBM and provides extra funding to help schools. And that's all for my video reporting.